Hello everyone. You may be a fresher or experienced person. To get the job opportunities, you need to prepare a perfect resume. Today we are going to see how to prepare a perfect resume. Before that, please subscribe our Fresher Connect channel and then only you can get notifications for future videos. Let's go to the video. Before going to create a resume, we have basic questions about resume. Number one question is why we need a resume. Having the job in the early stage of your career makes you professionalism and discipline. These two things is very important to make money and happiness in your life. So to get all of this, you need to create a resume first. I know writing a resume sounds complicated. You may be a fresher or experienced person. Don't worry, I will guide you step by step how to create your resume. End of this video, you will get 100% clarity about resume writing. Question number 2. What recruiters look for? You can apply the job for banking, sales, education, IT jobs and any other jobs based on your profile. The problem is no matter what kind of job you are applying for, there will be thousands of people applying for the same jobs. With this many profile, recruiter hardly look your resume into 5 to 10 seconds maximum. If your profile not impress at first time, then your profile rejected immediately because thousands of profiles need to be verified. So your resume not like a long boring list. It should be simple and crispy like an advertisement. Question number 3, resume structure. We are going to see how to create a perfect resume step by step. Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to create a resume for experienced person. First I am going to start creating a profile for mechanical engineering in manufacturing field with 7 years experience. Even though in manufacturing field you can apply the same method or template to any job in any field. First of all, we are going to enter our name. Point number 2, after name, you must enter your professional title. This is very important because these words makes you professionally like problem solver, innovator, quick learner, inventory manager, production planning controller, etc. Here I am going to write problem solver, quick learner, inventory manager and production planner with 7 years experience in professional title. Third point, enter your career objective in detail. Fourth one, contact information. Enter your phone number, then enter your email ID. When comes to email ID, all of us have college email ID. Please don't use it. You must create new email ID and then enter here. Enter your LinkedIn profile if you have. I already made a video for how to create a LinkedIn profile. Please see the link in description. Number 5th, personal information. Enter your age, gender, marital status and address details. Point number 6, education details. Enter your degree and school education with percentage of marks and pass out year. Number 7, expertise. Enter your skills in expertise section. I am going to enter quality related skills like IATF 16949, SPC and AD. Then system related skills like MS Office, MES, Oracle and SAP. And then your core related skills like inventory management, production planning and shop floor control like that. Number 7th, language. Enter your language in detail like this. Then number 9, experience. Enter your experience in reverse order. You need to start with current job position. Later on enter your before company details. First enter your time period, then enter your company name and position you held on. Next enter your responsibilities and key deliverable actions by using bullet points. This is very important. Here I am going to entering 3 companies experience details. Then very important, be specific on your achievements. When comes to achievements, it should be quantitative and qualitative. See the examples. Don't write generally like change your time reduced. It should be like this. See here, reducing the changeover time 60 minutes to 40 minutes by implementing pattern production. See the difference. Because you added numbers to your accomplishments, gives the confidence to the recruiters in your ability. Number 10, please check 1 to 3 times in your entire resume. Is there any spelling mistake? Don't lie on your resume. If you don't have the skills, you might not get the job. Even though if you are getting a job, you can't able to perform there. So honesty is very important. No one company can compromise in honesty. So that's all about writing a resume for experienced persons. If you know someone is struggling to write a resume, please forward this video. If you have any questions, please write on comment section. All the best for your bright future. Subscribe our Freshers Connect channel to get future videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.